Cool, right? You can do many things with this new PowerShell. I'll show one more feature here. You can have multiple tabs. The new Windows Terminal 1.13 is out. A preview version, you can download it from Microsoft Store. It's cool and new and advanced one. So I'm going to install Windows new Terminal 1.13. I'll show you how you can do that. Just go to the Microsoft Play Store and search for Windows Terminal preview. Just click on that. Now this is the new Windows Terminal UI. It's advanced. As it says, it is efficient, powerful and more productive terminal application. And there is another feature in Windows 11 from where you can set the PowerShell as default. That means you can set the PowerShell as administrator for a particular user. I'll show you that in the latest video. So I'm going to install this first. The terminal, I'm just clicking on Get. Now the terminal has been installed. I'm going to open it and let's see. So this is the new terminal. You can set the option from here. As I said, this is additional feature you will get from the Windows settings. Now after installing the Windows Terminal 1.13, I have customized the Windows PowerShell and I will show you my customization. I customized the Windows PowerShell. I'm just opening it. This is my customized PowerShell window. Cool, right? You can do many things with this new PowerShell. I'll show one more feature here. You can have the multiple tab running here in the PowerShell. You can customize the background. You can set the background. You can set the transparency. Everything is possible in this new PowerShell. There's a huge change and the new Windows PowerShell. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.